All right, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Onewayjus.
I'm really that guy.
And today we're gonna do something a little different today. I know y'all used to the interviews, but today, as y'all see, it's snowing outside. So we're gonna do a snow vlog. You know, let's get started. Alright, YouTube, as you can see, it is like very snowy as hell outside. I ain't gonna lie to you. Like, look down here. We in Fayetteville, North Carolina with it, and it is snowy as hell. So the main reason I'm doing this, I saw a guy do this, a mutual follower, and I see somebody I'm mutuals with. Yeah, he was doing this. I'm like, bro, I'm gonna do this shit too, cause it's snowing as hell outside. So I'm about to show y'all snow, cause this is my first time experiencing this type of snow in like years. So you know, we gonna do this, and I'm gonna show y'all I'm gonna show y'all the fun shit I'm gonna be doing. I'll show y'all the fun shit I'm gonna be doing. Just try. Yeah! All right, YouTube, watch this. I'm finna see how far I can throw this.
Looking to throw it, gonna throw it downfield, intercepted!
It's still icy. We finna do something else. I'm finna show y'all how I throw a snowball. I'm gonna see if I can build a snowman. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna see if I can build a snowman.
Launches deep, Jalen Guyton, he's got it! Touchdown!
Y'all see that arm I got? I got that arm, I'm telling you, I got that arm. So you know what I gotta do now? You know what I gotta do? I gotta make a snow angel. I know I'm grown as hell, but I ain't that grown. I'm 22. But do this. So watch this. I know my grandparents about to be mad as hell at me, but watch this. Look at this. Hold up. Look at that snow angel right there, man. Ain't nobody telling me that's a good ass snow angel. It feels so different now that I'm grown making these snow angels, so it's like, damn. Bro, I literally saw a man driving snow. How the hell can you drive in the snow? Bro, I said if I could drive in snow, I'd be at FSU. They got people there too. I saw a nigga driving snow just recently. What the hell? Dang, I probably won't even catch him because my camera wasn't even on. But I probably won't even catch him. But we gonna do this vlog. It's my first time doing the snow vlog, but we gonna do the snow vlog because this rarely happens. So I'm gonna do the snow vlog. I'm just gonna do some random shit. So y'all stay tuned. Y'all like, comment, subscribe because we just hit 600. But we hit 600 by like, I know I haven't released in a while, but hey, we gonna do this. But you wanna see something great? You gotta see the snow speed real quick. Hold up.
Yeah.
All right, YouTube, so you know what we're about to do? I'm about to show you how fast I can run in snow.
Three hours later.
Alright, YouTube, so you see the sign right here? I don't know if y'all can see the sign, but I'm gonna test the sign and see how it goes.
Shit, they got serious.
Ooh, this sign kinda big. Hey, that's all, but we gonna try it again. Can't get it. I can't get the damn sign.
Oh, you almost had it. You gotta be quicker than that.
I can't get this damn sign. This is so much fun doing this vlog. I ain't even gonna lie. This vlog is gonna be so much fun. I don't know why I'm making this, but or you know what else I should do? Alright, YouTube, I'm about to do my snow dance.
Let the games begin.
best version of my snow dance I could probably give you. Dang, this angle looks so different. Oh my god, this angle looks so different. Alright, I'm about to go just take a random picture just for the thumbnail. Hold up. Alright, what's good, YouTube? I don't know if you can fully see me, but it's right now, I think it's like still 11, and it's like the morning after, you know, the snowstorm. I'm about to show y'all what it looks like right now. So obviously there's still some like snow left, obviously over here and stuff. There's still some snow. Most of it has been like melted, because you know it's North Carolina, it melts fast, so you know that's how it is. But yeah, that was pretty much the snowstorm. I wanted to get more clips yesterday, but I couldn't because my phone was selling on me, so you know I couldn't get more clips. So I hope y'all enjoyed those clips that I had sent in yesterday. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Interviews will be coming soon. Thank y'all for the support I've been getting. Road to 1K soon. So yeah, hey.